In ancient China, during the verdant embrace of the 9th century, the village of Qingtan was nestled within the mountains like a pearl cradled by the gentle hand of nature. Every evening, as the sun sank toward the horizon, it painted the sky with hues of gold and ruby, casting long shadows across the lush fields where Master Yang Shan toiled tirelessly. Yang Shan was renowned in the village for his quiet demeanor and profound wisdom, often expressed through actions rather than words. One afternoon, as the cool breeze danced through the rice paddies, Master Yang Shan was returning home after a long day of work at the fields. As Yang Shan approached his home, he found himself face to face with Master Wei Shan, a fellow philosopher known for his inquisitive nature and sharp mind. "Where are you from?" inquired Wei Shan, his eyes gleaming with curious intent. With a gentle nod, Yang Shan replied, "I'm coming from the fields." Wei Shan, ever eager to delve deeper into conversations, continued, "How many workers are there?" Yang Shan, in a way that might seem perplexing to an outsider, dug his shovel firmly into the ground and stood motionless. His silence conveyed a depth of understanding beyond mere words. Wei Shan observed him attentively, pondering the significance of his actions. He then said thoughtfully, "Today there are many workers on Nanshan Mountain." Without uttering a single word, Yang Shan reached for his shovel and continued on his path, leaving Wei Shan to contemplate this silent exchange. As Master Wei Shan watched Yang Shan's retreating figure, he realized the profound message woven into his friend's silence. The number of workers was immaterial. It was the act of working together, the unspoken harmony of labor, and the silent bond between man, tool, and earth that truly mattered. Yang Shan's quiet wisdom resonated deeply within Wei Shan's heart, sparking a reflection on the greater truths of life. That silence can sometimes speak the loudest, and actions can be the most eloquent form of conversation. Underneath the ancient skies of China, as the stars began to twinkle in celestial symphony, the village of Qingtan prepared for night. And there, among its simple delights and profound teachings, Master Yang Shan and Master Wei Shan imparted their wisdom not only through discourse, but through the silent understanding of shared existence and true harmony